Welcome back to Classic Rider Hub. Today, we are taking a look at the all-new 2025 Yamaha DT 180, a motorcycle that brings back the spirit of classic dual sport riding with modern upgrades. If you love adventure, off-road trails, and legendary Yamaha performance, this bike is definitely worth your attention. The Yamaha DT series has always been famous for its lightweight design, strong durability, and excellent off-road capability. The 2025 Yamaha DT 180 continues that tradition while adding modern styling and improved technology. At first glance, the new DT 180 looks aggressive and sporty. It features a sharp front fender, stylish LED headlight, rugged body panels, and a high-mounted exhaust system that gives it a true adventure bike appearance. The bike is designed to handle both city roads and rough off-road terrain with confidence. Powering the 2025 Yamaha DT 180 is a reliable 180cc engine that delivers smooth acceleration and impressive low-end torque. Whether you are riding through busy city streets or climbing rocky trails, the engine provides enough power for an exciting riding experience. Yamaha has also improved fuel efficiency, making the bike more practical for daily use and long-distance rides. The suspension system is one of the highlights of this motorcycle. Long travel front forks and a rear monoshock suspension help absorb bumps and rough surfaces with ease. This setup gives riders greater comfort and control when exploring challenging terrain. The DT 180 rides on large spoke wheels wrapped in dual-purpose tires. These tires offer excellent grip on dirt roads, gravel tracks, and paved streets. The high ground clearance allows the motorcycle to pass over obstacles without difficulty, making it a perfect companion for adventure enthusiasts. For safety, Yamaha has equipped the 2025 DT 180 with a powerful braking system. Front and rear disc brakes provide strong stopping power, while the improved frame design enhances overall stability and handling. Riders can feel confident in different road and weather conditions. The seating position is upright and comfortable, reducing fatigue during long rides. Wide handlebars offer better control, especially during off-road adventures. The digital instrument cluster displays essential information clearly, including speed, fuel level, trip data, and engine indicators. One of the biggest advantages of the Yamaha DT 180 is its versatility. It is suitable for beginners who want a reliable adventure motorcycle, and experienced riders looking for a lightweight machine that can handle almost any terrain. The 2025 Yamaha DT 180 combines classic heritage with modern performance. It delivers a fun riding experience, practical features, and the legendary reliability that Yamaha is known for around the world. So, what do you think about the 2025 Yamaha DT 180? Would you choose it for your next adventure ride? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to